While searching for information, do you keep finding lawyers who are just selling their services instead of answering your questions? With 24 years of experience, I'm familiar with the frustrations you may have while making an injury claim through an auto insurance company or a homeowner's policy. I do my best to actually answer your questions in these videos and in my free book. I am Arizona native and attorney Kevin Fine. As a personal injury attorney, I do handle dog bite injury claims and have also needed to understand the dog's owner's obligations under Arizona law. This video will give you a quick summary of some of those laws as a dog owner. State law requires that your dog be on a leash in a park or school grounds. If your dog is out in public unrestrained, it must also have a collar with tags. City codes add other requirements as well. For example, most city codes require the dog be leashed on any public lands or streets. Even neighborhood CC&Rs have their own additional requirements. For example, the CC&Rs for my neighborhood add that a dog must be leashed if it is in a common area or on another homeowner's property. It also states the owner's obligation to pick up after the dog. So in my neighborhood, if your dog leaves your yard for any reason, it must be on a leash to comply with all three standards. If your dog bites a person, you can be held responsible for the damages that bite caused, even if you had no idea that the dog would do so. However, your dog still has the right to bite an illegal trespasser like a burglar. You can also be held responsible for damages to a person or property caused by your dog if it is unrestrained in a public place, even if the damage is not caused by biting. For example, a dog knocks a cyclist off his bike and he's injured in the fall. Even without the Arizona dog bite statutes, you can be found negligent and therefore responsible for an injury if you knew your dog had a tendency to bite or attack. If your dog inflicts such harm and you are found responsible, your homeowner's insurance policy will usually cover the losses sustained within the limits of the policy. However, after such a claim, the company will often give you the choice between keeping your dog or keeping the policy. We are all aware of the joys dogs can bring. These laws and rules are designed to minimize the chance of your dog causing harm, so you and your neighbors can continue to enjoy both the pets and the people that own them. If, on the other hand, you are injured by a dog, you likely have a claim against the dog's owner for the harms you experienced. I answer more of your questions in my other videos, articles on my firm's website, and in my free book. Because your situation will be different in significant ways, the general information I presented here may not be right for your legal matter and is not legal advice. If you wish to talk to me about your concerns more specifically, I do offer a free consultation. You can set up that visit or you can order the free book through the contact information on the banner below. Thank you.